Today we are talking about SMCI, Supermicro Computer. The stock looks very cheap, but recently Hindenburg Research published a short report about it. Luckily, I already noticed that the stock could be potentially cheap, so I analyzed it. Therefore, in this video I'm going to tell you what I think about SMCI. For those who don't know, let's take a look at the business of the company. What do? They say that they are a Silicon Valley-based provider of accelerated compute platforms that are application-optimized, high-performance and high-efficiency server and storage systems for a variety of markets. Basically, they sell servers and storage systems. They have a very long explanation of their business and of their strategies, and to be honest, all these words look like a supercazzola. This is an Italian word which defines something which means nothing. They seem to be using a lot of words which are useless. They are trying to make their business look incredible, unbelievable, which it's not. They don't describe the business in a simple way, using a few practical words, but they try to make it look more impressive than it actually is. The product they sell is commoditized, and they don't develop the technologies they use. They are simply an assembly company. They build the storage systems using products sold by real tech companies like Nvidia. And in every report, in every interview, they try to sound like they are this world-changing tech company, which they are not. They are actually an assembly company. They buy the products and they build the storage system, the servers. As you might have noticed, I'm not sure about it, maybe you didn't, I'm not a native English speaker. I'm Italian and I got an accent. But then the CEO of this company seems like someone who just got in the USA yesterday. But this company has been in the Silicon Valley since it was founded.
You know, people like made in USA, especially made in Silicon Valley, because this way they can come to see our facility, can come to see our product, and monitoring all the process.
This hit me pretty hard. A tech CEO who barely speaks English is fairly worrisome. And then we have the huge conflict of interest. In the annual report they say conflicts of interest may arise with Ablecom and CompuWare, and they may adversely affect our operations. We use Ablecom, a related party, for contract design and manufacturing coordination support and warehousing, and CompuWare, also a related party, and an affiliate of Ablecom for distribution, contract manufacturing and warehousing. Then they tell us that Ablecom and CompuWare's sales to us constitute a substantial majority of Ablecom's and CompuWare's net sales. Probably something near 100%. These are two Taiwan-based companies. Steve Liang, Ablecom's chief executive officer and largest shareholder, is the brother of Charles Liang, our president, chief executive officer and chairman of our board of directors. Charles Liang and his spouse, Sarah Liu, our co-founder, senior vice president and director, jointly owned approximately 10.5% of Ablecom's capital stock, while Mr. Steve Liang and other family members owned approximately 28.8% of Ablecom's outstanding common stock. Bill Liang, a brother of both Charles Liang and Steve Liang, is a member of the board of directors of Ablecom as well. But it keeps getting better. In October 2018, our chief executive officer, Charles Liang, personally borrowed approximately $12.9 million from Chen Tsun-Chang, the spouse of Steve Liang. The lenders called the loans in October 2018 following the suspension of our common stock from trading on Nasdaq in August 2018. Indeed, SMCI was suspended from trading on Nasdaq, as is explained in Hindenburg Research report. As of June 30, 2023, the amount due on the unsecured loan was approximately $16 million. Bill Young is also the Chief Executive Officer of CompuWare, a member of CompuWare's board of directors and the holder of a significant equity interest in CompuWare. Steve Young is also a member of CompuWare's board of directors and is an equity holder of CompuWare. Mr. Charles Young is our Chief Executive Officer and Chairman of the board, is a significant stockholder of our company and has considerable influence over the management of our business relationships. Accordingly, we may be disadvantaged by the economic interests of Mr. Charles Young and his spouse. So there is this pretty big conflict of interest. This is exactly where I stopped analyzing the stock because I really don't like this type of shit. I saw it many times in other companies and they ended up being bad companies and sometimes even fraudulent ones. So you have to be very careful with this type of things. So we got a fairly basic business sold by the management as a technologically advanced one, incredible, and so on. We got a CEO who barely speaks English and looks like a salesman, and we got a huge conflict of interest. What else do we need? But yes, there is more actually. I decided to go on Glassdoor and check what employees had to say about the company, and it's not good. The average rating for the company is 3 out of 5, and only 45% of the employees would advise this company to a friend. And Charles Young has a 58% appreciation rate as CEO. Not very good results. And if you want more reasons to be aware about this stock to stay away, please check out Hindenburg Research short report. There is plenty of interesting information about this company. And if you already have an investment in this stock, you really need to check it out. The point to make here is that, yes, this could perhaps be a great investment. This company is growing super fast and it looks pretty cheap right now, with a forward price earnings ratio of 16. But the red flags are there and they can't be ignored. That's why I'm staying away from SMCI. Please keep in mind, as Warren Buffett always say, that the most important thing for an investor is not losing money, is to protect your capital, not to make unreal performances. So please be careful with this stock and make your own due diligence, do your analysis before you invest in this stock if you want to invest in it. Please let me know what you think about SMCI, type a comment, let me know if you own the stock, and please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new. See you next time. Bye!